Good morning for all. Today we see some general knowledge questions. It is very useful to you for government jobs and improve your knowledge. Let's we see some general knowledge questions. Which country is called the land of the golden pagoda, Myanmar? Which country is known as the land of lilies, Norway? Which country is called the land of morning calm, Korea? Which country is popularly known as the land of the rising sun, Japan? Which country is called the land of midnight sun, Norway? Which country is called the land of thousand lakes, Finland? Which country is called the land of white elephant, Thailand? Which country is called the sick man of Europe, Turkey? Which country is called the playground of Europe, Switzerland? Which country is popularly known as the sugar bowl of the world, Cuba? In which city was the Asian Games held for the first time, New Delhi? Who inaugurated the first Asian Games in 1951? Dr. Rajendra Prasad. What is the national game of the United States of America? Baseball. Who invented the basketball game in 1891? Dr. James Naismith. What is the national game of England? Cricket. Who is called the Rumble in the Jungle? Muhammad Ali. Who was considered the inventor of computer? Charles Babbage. How is the unit that measures the computer memory called byte? Which science deals with the study of weather and climate? Meteorology. Which is called the brain of the computer? CPU. What does email stand for? Electronic mail. What does www stand for? World Wide Web. What does CPU stand for? Central Processing Unit. A plane surface with three sides is called a triangle. How is called the five sides of polygon? Pentagon. How is called the six sides of polygon? Hexagon. How is called the seven sides of polygon? Heptagon. How is called the eight sides of polygon? Octagon. Who wrote the poetry book An Elegy Written in a Country Churchyard? Thomas Gray. Which book is authored by the Indian poetess Sarojini Naidu? The Broken Wing. Of which country is the White Book official publication? Germany. Of which country is the Yellow Book official publication? France. How is the book that describes the life history of a particular person called biography? How is the book that gives the character sketch of a person written by him called autobiography? Name the religion founded by Muhammad the Prophet, Islam. Who was the founder of Zoroastrianism? Zoroaster. Who was the author of Buddha Charita? Asvaghosha. Which epic written by Ilango Adigal? Silappatikaram. Which message poem is written by Kalidasa? Meghadoodam. Who was called the Punjab Kesari? Lala Lajpati Rai. Which oldest literary work deals with Tamil grammar? Tolkapiyam. Who wrote the epic poem Mahabharata? Vedavyasa. Which is the oldest of the Vedas that comprises sacred hymns? Rig Veda. Who wrote the epic poem which deals with the adventures of Lord Rama? Valmiki. Who wrote Kalingattu Parani, which tells us about the victory of Kulothunga Sola over Kalinga? Jayam Kondar. Who said Jai Jawan, Jai Kisan? Lal Bahadur Shastri. Who said Swaraj is my birthright? Bala Gangadhara Tilak. Which place is associated with Rani Lakshmibai? Jhansi. Name the lion where the earth and the sky seems to meet? Horizon. Which state is famous for its Ajanta and Ellora caves? Maharashtra. Okay, thank you very much for all. Thanks.